Get back.
Where's the key?
Inside the door down.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
He's in there.
No, no shots fired.
No, yeah, there was a shot fired.
Hey, firm, shots fired.
Take this fucking thing down.
Go!
Go. Hey, be careful. Be careful.
Watch me! Watch me! Hands up! Where's he at? Where's he at? I'm holding it! Drop the gun! Where's he at? Where's he at? Come here! Come here! He's in the counter! Counter! That's the cover! Hold down! Where's he at? Corner right! Right corner! Right corner! Push! On me! Right corner! Right corner! 1, 2, 3! Back down! On the back! 1!
On October 27, 2025, Denver police officers responded to a frantic call at a Maverik gas station on South Parker Road. A 35-year-old suspect, identified as Hosea Rasheed Moore, had entered the store and pulled a gun on a worker. He ordered the doors locked, effectively taking 2 clerks hostage inside the building. As officers arrived on the scene, the situation was already critical. They established a perimeter, knowing that innocent lives were trapped inside with an armed and erratic gunman. The body cam footage picks up as the response team stacks up outside the entrance, preparing for an immediate rescue if the situation deteriorates further.
Where's he at?
I'm shooting. He's on the car. He's trying to have a car.
Get out of the way.
He's on the 2 cars.
Okay.
See if that door's open.
I got you. Nope, it's not open. He's in there. Kick that motherfucker in. I need a key.
I don't have him inside that.
You can hear the tension in the officers' voices as they coordinate their breach. They are right at the threshold, but there's confusion about the door mechanism, whether it's locked or barricaded. One officer realizes it's a clerk.
Where's he at?
He's inside. Do you see him?
They are seconds away from making entry.
I need a key.
Unaware
Get back.
that the suspect is waiting
Hey,
for
shoot
them.
this fucking door down.
Where's he at? Where's he at?
He's in there. No, yeah, there was a shot fired. Kick this fucking thing down.
Go!
Hey, be careful. Be careful. Hey, hold your rifle on.
Push it open!
Brian!
Push the fucking door open! Go!
Drop the fucking gun! Drop the gun! Where's he at? Where is he? Hey, get behind cover. Get behind cover. Hey, get 6.
Right corner!
Wait.
Right corner! 1, 2, 3, back up! On the back. Come on! Buddy, hang in there, all right? Hang in there, all right, buddy? We're gonna get you gloves. Put gloves on. We're gonna get you help, all right? He's in every room. Where you hit? He's in a recovery position. Yeah.
Hey, watch out. Is this door?
Chaos erupts instantly. Just as an officer attempts to kick the door, shots ring out from inside the store. The suspect opens fire directly through the glass and the door, targeting the officers who are bunched up for the breach. The call goes out immediately over the radio. Shots fired from the inside. The officers are forced to scramble for cover as the glass shatters around them. Despite the sudden ambush, they maintain their perimeter, shouting commands to get back and communicating the suspect's position. This specific moment highlights the extreme danger of hostage rescues, where a simple locked door can turn into a kill zone in the blink of an eye.
Did you say shot fired from the inside?
No, yeah, there was a shot fired.
Break that. Hey, be careful. Be careful. Push that open. Push it open. Fucking Brian. Yo.
Push the fucking door open. Go.
Where is he? Where is he? Line of fire is going to be towards the east. Right corner? Shots fired. Officer involved shooting. Suspect is down. Get out! Get out!
I'm sorry, EMS code 10. Where's you guys want to know?
Here.
I need medical. Get medical here. Check.
Come here. I need you to sit down, okay? Let's go take a seat.
Do I have any officers here? What's your name? You're your fire. One officer here, carry to the fire, clear. 26-3. Fire from the inside.
Where's he at?
He's inside. Do you see him?
Get away.
I need a key. Get back.
Where's the key?
Hey, keep this fucking door down.
Where's he at?
I'm confirming. Did you say shot fired from the inside? Oh, no shot
Oh, yeah, there was a shot fired.
Hey.
Kick this fucking thing down.
Cover shots fired. Police shots. Okay.
Go.
Hey, be careful. Be careful.
Push it open.
Open! Brian,
push the fucking door open. Go.
Shot fired from the inside.
Move.
Where is he?
On fire.
Where is he?
Line of fire is towards the east.
Where?
Line of fire towards the east.
Black core. I'm fucking hit.
Gunfire. Officer above shooting.
4-2, I'm hit.
I'm sorry, EMS code 10. Where did you guys want to know? We're gonna need medical. Get medical here. Check. Do I have any officers here?
4-2, I'm hit. Tourniquet applied.